Shoop 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 what I do na 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 na. Shoop 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 what I do na na na.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to Insights by Hamad. In today's video, I will show you guys how you can get your certificate of good conduct and from Malaysia, and how you can get your certificates and degrees attested in Malaysia once you have graduated and you're planning to go back to your home country. So, where we are at, beside me is Ministry of Foreign Affairs. This is also called Wisma Putra. You can come here by Grab, you can come here by rent-a-car, you can also come here by bus. So I will walk you guys through the process of what you guys need to do in order to get your certificate of good conduct once you are about to leave Malaysia, because you will require this certificate of good conduct if you're planning to go to Australia, Canada, New Zealand, England, anywhere you're planning to go for your further study, like let's say master's, PhD, you will require this certificate of good conduct. And also if you're planning to migrate to Canada, Australia, you will require this certificate of good conduct. So it's really important that you, once you're about to graduate, you are leaving Malaysia, that you come here and you collect your certificate of good conduct. Everything is online, you don't have to, you just have to come here to collect the certificate. So right now, I will walk you guys through the process, how you can apply online and what you need, which browser you need, and all of that. So stay tuned. Alright, so here in front of me I have Mozilla Firefox open. In the address bar we're gonna key in e-consular. So once we do that, it's gonna bring us here. So we click on e-consular. So we're gonna go to the main web page. We'll click on first on login, and make sure you type in your name as it is on your passport, because the same name would appear on your police clearance certificate, which is also known as certificate of good conduct. So click on passport number, then key in your passport number and key in the password that you want for this particular account. Then key in your email. Once you do that, key in the verification, and after that click on register. And make sure you are doing it all on Mozilla Firefox, because this is the only web browser that is compatible with the server of Ministry of Foreign Affairs. So I'll just go back to the login page and I will log in with my account. So once you do that, you're gonna go on application for certificate of good conduct. So once you do that, the page will load up in a while. Alright, so it's loaded. So make sure that you read the whole thing carefully. Alright, because it's very important that you follow these steps. Alright, once you go on the next page, they will ask you for a passport picture. So when you are gonna upload it, it might give you an error. So just sharpen the picture a bit and resize it, and like follow the size which is written. Just follow the guidelines and you're good to go. So make sure you read all of this. Alright, it's really important. You can get it delivered to your home country, or you can go and collect it by yourself, or you can authorize someone to collect it on your behalf from Ministry of Foreign Affairs. For me, I went to collect it by myself, because since I was in Malaysia, so I just went to collect it by myself. Alright, it's not that difficult, it's easy, it's just a piece of cake, so you should be able to do it. Alright, moving on to getting your certificates attested. You take it from your university, you collect it from the university, and then you go to Ministry of Higher Education first, and then you get it attested from Ministry of Higher Education, and then you go to Ministry of Foreign Affairs. So once you get it attested from Ministry of Higher Education, you're gonna go to Ministry of Foreign Affairs, you will get it attested from Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and then after that go to your embassy, which is in Malaysia. If you are from Pakistan, then go to High Commission of Pakistan, so on and so forth, so you know where to go. Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys found this video very helpful. If you guys found this video helpful, then please click on that like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more insightful videos such as this. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and especially with those who are currently studying in Malaysia, those who are about to graduate, and even those who are planning to come to Malaysia for their further studies. And with that, I will close today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.